Hello guys, in today's video we have the itel phone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset any of your itel device in case you have forgotten your pattern or password. For that, first you have to power off your phone, then press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the itel logo appears, release the power key, but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. Now here again press the power and volume up key simultaneously for the recovery menu. Then inside the recovery menu, you guys can use the volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will delete all the data. Remember, all the data on your phone, including your photos and everything. After that, select reboot system now. And after the reboot, it will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Wait for the start page. Now here you guys have to select your language, set up your phone, and after completing the setup you guys will be able to use your phone normally again. Thanks for watching.